So if there is one thing I can guarantee anybody watching this video right now is if you join this edges regrow journey or hair thickening journey, you will definitely grow your hair. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be introducing you guys to my edges regrowth series or bald spot regrowth series. So it's a series of videos that I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the steps I've been using to regrow my edges and that of my customers over time. Bear in mind this is a very gradual process and we're going to be trying so many different things because what might work for me may not work for you, so you have to try all these recipes in order to find out which one exactly will grow your hair. But what I can guarantee you from now is if you practice and follow all the steps I'm going to be sharing henceforth on this edges regrowth series, then your hair is going to grow. As you can see, my hair was so thin right here. I was having bald spots and my hair was thinning every single time I want to check my hair. So I started trying these remedies, and now I cannot say this is the one remedy that helped me because during that period I tried tons of remedies, and the good thing is I was consistent with these tons of remedies. So that's what I'm going to actually be showing you guys step by step alongside the changes I had to do in order to see the results I have today. So if there is one thing I can guarantee anybody watching this video right now is if you join this edges regrowth journey or hair thickening journey, you will definitely grow your hair. It might not be as fast as I grew my hair or as fast as another person on the journey with you may grow their hair, but your hair is definitely going to grow out. You just need to be patient because people's hair have different time to adapt to different remedies. But one thing I'm sure is your hair is going to grow because I've used this remedy on so many clients that I've had over time and so many people, and I've never had any of them not see changes over time. So you have to be patient and consistent with all the steps I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this series. So far I've explained my willingness to help you guys on this journey, and I'll be really happy if you join the journey because I'm doing it all over again mainly for you guys. I will be really happy to receive positive feedback from you if you try this and start seeing changes in your hair, especially start regrowing your edges or that bald spot you've been struggling with for a very long time. That being said, if you're interested in joining this edges regrowth journey, the only thing you have to do is subscribe and click on the notification bell. Also, you can motivate me by giving me a thumbs up on this video so I can create the other videos even faster. Okay guys, given that you already know what this video is about, which is basically the beginning of edges regrowth series, I'm going to move now to the next part of this video, which is giving you guys the ingredients you need to get in preparation for this journey. Now this journey is mainly for people who have lost their edges and are almost giving up the hope of one day regrowing their edges. Also, if you're experiencing unnecessary thinning on your hair, then you might want to join this journey. But in general, if your hair doesn't have any problem, then you can still join because there is nothing harmful that we're going to be doing on this journey, so you can just profit by making your hair healthier and even more strengthened. So that being said, these are a list of things that we're going to be doing during this journey together. The first ingredient you're going to need to get is MSM. So back then when I was trying to grow my edges, I used to use MSM a lot, but right now my MSM is finished, but I'm going to insert a container somewhere on the screen of the MSM I usually use and the MSM I'm going to get for this journey, so we can do it one-on-one. I can see how you guys are progressing. I really want to help you. So the first thing is MSM, like I already said. The next thing is my essential oils. Obviously, I believe so much in essential oils because they have been with me throughout my journey. They help me regrow my edges because the time when I was just scouting the internet, doing everything I see online, the one thing I stuck with throughout my journey with my hair is my essential oils, and they have always been there, and I cannot help but credit them for all the health and the growth I've accomplished so far. So for me, it's a good thing that my hair has grown how much it has grown this period of time, especially my edges. As you guys can see, I no longer have like any problem with my edges. My edges are doing just fine. The essential oils you're supposed to get is lavender, peppermint, and rosemary essential oil. So alongside the remedies I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I'm going to be sharing things you need to change about your routine in order to stop the damage, because treating your bald spot and damaging your hair in the same process is even going to be worse, because you're going to be spending money and time trying to regrow your edges while doing those habits that will just keep the edges down. So this series is going to not only include remedies that I use to grow my edges out and that of my clients, but I'll also include habits that you need to incorporate henceforth in order to ensure that your edges don't get any worse than they are already. So those are the only ingredients you need to buy. So the essential oil and MSM. The rest of the ingredients that we're going to be using are home ingredients, as well as techniques I'm going to be showing you guys that will help you regrow your edges. There is no doubt I have as to what I'm telling you guys. So that being said, I basically introduced what I'm going to be doing with you guys, and the reason for this video, why I'm not actually teaching anything in this video, the reason why this video has no tutorial whatsoever or no remedy, is because I want you guys to have time to go purchase the ingredients that I've mentioned. Once you purchase the ingredients, guys, just let me know down in the comment section so I can upload the next video on this series, because I really like for you all to follow with step by step, and also I would like to monitor your progress and help you grow your edges out. So that being said, we've come to the end of this video. I was so happy to have you guys here. Hope you like, subscribe, and share again, and don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section for me. I always love your feedbacks. I'm so grateful for all the feedback you guys have been giving me. I am so blessed to have you all. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video. So in the meantime, you might want to check out my videos on breakage. Sorry guys, then it's high time you like, subscribe, and share. But yeah, truly I need those likes, subscribes, and shares. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and then you follow the instructions. Okay.